Hello Internet world, welcome to my review of the PIIFOX ER95 triple mode wireless mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer, no money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular, I'm simply sharing this review with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now this keyboard, apart from being wireless and mechanical, has also got a little trick up its sleeve in this area here, which I will reveal very soon. It's got a customizable LCD screen. Very, very cool. So this is the product box. Inside the box, you obviously get the keyboard itself. You get this keyboard quick start guide, which tells you about all of the button combinations to enter Bluetooth mode, because it will connect via Bluetooth. Also 2.4 gigahertz mode as well. There is a dongle included. You can use it wired mode, Mac or Windows switching as well. And with regards to the Bluetooth mode, you can pair it with 3 different devices. There's also keyboard lighting, multimedia function, and it's of course wireless, so it is rechargeable as well. Now inside the box we do get a keycap putter, so you can switch out the keycaps if you want to. We also of course get a cable, full-size USB to USB-C, and then the keyboard actually comes with this really nice plastic cover. So you can use this as a dust cover. It protects it of course in shipping, but when it's on your desk you can just place this over the top. It's nice to keep things nice and dust free. And then of course we've got the keyboard itself. Now before I guide you through the features, I just want to let you know that this has in fact got a customizable LCD screen. It's the black clear model. I believe there's a more transparent clear model as well. And it's got the PIIFOX dark Wabler linear key switches. The customizable LCD screen allows you to see the date, time, also images. It's very, very cool. And in fact, let me give you a brief look at it now. If I push this button, you'll see the keyboard light up and you'll see the little screen here. And it's currently showing you the time. We can in fact rotate this knob, and we've got various controls over brightness, also what type of computer it's connected to, Mac or Windows. We can change the language. We've got a volume control as well. It's very, very customizable. Now also what sets this keyboard apart is the fact that it's gasket mounted. So when I give you the little typing demonstration, you'll get to hear how this sounds, and I'll explain to you how it feels as well. We've also got south-facing RGB backlights, which look absolutely fantastic. I think they've done a fantastic job of the backlighting on this keyboard. And also, apart from all of these features, I mean, this knob not only sort of scrolls through all of the various settings on the screen, it also acts as a volume control as well. And apart from all of those features, it looks absolutely stunning. Really very, very nice indeed. So I've left the plastic film on. This is what it comes shipped with, and that's just to protect it from scratches. Got a full QWERTY keyboard here, numeric keypad off to the side. We have got full function keys across the top, and really nice designs on the keys as well. I really do like the way these look. Very, very nice indeed. The spacebar looks very, very cool, and it's got this like purpley violet colour circuit board design across the whole keyboard. Very, very cool. Now of course in this top corner we've got the button that I push to activate that LCD screen and also turn the keyboard on. You can see the little tiny screen there, and we can, as I mentioned earlier, rotate this round to access the various settings. And when we're back round to the start, it does in fact show the time as well and the date in the corner there, and also the battery life left as well. We take a look across the back edge. I will just peel back this packaging for you. You can see the translucent or semi-translucent design. There is a little switch there. There's also the USB-C charging port or connectivity port. If we turn this right round onto its back, you can see the back of the keyboard. Really nice rubberized feet here. Very, very cool. I really do like how these look and feel. We've also got a little warning piece of metal here which we can push down. We can remove this plate and it reveals the RF dongle. So you can connect this via 2.4 gigahertz which is a really nice stable low latency connection. We've got the USB dongle just there, and it stores nicely in the bottom of the keyboard. Or of course you can connect it via Bluetooth, and you can pair it with 3 different devices. You push a combination of keys on the front to switch between those devices, so easy switching between sort of a Mac and a PC, for example, and maybe you've got it connected to a tablet device as well, or indeed you can use it wired. There is some shortcuts here to the various modes. You can see here function plus 1, 2 or 3 switches between the Bluetooth connections. We've also got these shortcuts for switching it to wired and 2.4 GHz RF connection as well. So really nice wedge shape to this. You can see the angle that this provides. Very, very cool. Absolutely love the way this keyboard looks and feels. But let's give you the typing test, because it has to feel good, doesn't it? Especially if we're going to use this for gaming or productivity. So here we go. It feels really nice, and the way I want to explain this to you is when you've got a very fast switch in a keyboard and you get that really clickety, sort of clackety noise, that can be quite disturbing, especially if you're playing maybe at night time, you're doing a late night gaming session. You don't want the really loud keyboard, but you still want that actuation, and this has got a nice sort of thonk to it. It's like a really like, it's just a really positive feel, nice spring back, a nice fast key switch in here, but without the really loud sound. It's as though that the gasket construction of this sort of mutes the sound very slightly and makes it a little bit deeper, so it's not a high pitch switch sound. It's really very, very nice indeed. So the feedback you get from this keyboard, absolutely superb. My transition across from my regular keyboard to typing on this was nice and fast. It takes a little bit of a while to get used to how they've designed the various letters on the keycaps. So a little bit of a transition period across to sort of not making too many mistakes on this, but nice sort of size keys, really nice sort of beveled edge to them. They feel absolutely superb. We've got a little bit of a curvature to each of the keycaps as well. I really do like this. It's been a rock solid performer. Very, very nice indeed. It's got nice weight to it, really solid construction. The fact it'll work on Mac or Windows, the fact that it will work Bluetooth, RF or wired, all add up to a fantastic keyboard. And then the icing on the cake and the cherry on top is this little tiny LCD screen in the top right hand corner. I think that's a really nice touch, and as such I can highly recommend this. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.